The most important thing you can do to maintain the health and factory original appearance of your matte finished vehicle is to wash and dry it carefully using products that are specifically and chemically formulated for matte paint. Follow along as we show you step by step how to wash and dry your matte finished vehicle. The first thing you want to do is gather supplies, including a car wash soap specifically formulated for washing and safely cleaning matte paint. In this case, we'll be using the Dr. Beasley's Matte Body Wash. A quick note before we get started, you might be wondering why you even need a special soap for matte in the first place. Let me explain. Most car wash soaps are designed for cars with glossy paint, and they are formulated with waxes and silicones that enhance shine. That's not something you want on a matte finish. That's why you should only use the soap specifically formulated for matte that's totally free of any wax or other glossing agents. Mix the soap according to the directions with 3 to 4 gallons of water in a 5-gallon bucket. Next, inspect your wash mitt to make sure it's clean and uncontaminated. If you see any type of abrasive particulate like sticks, dried leaves, dead bugs, etc. in the fibers of the mitt, remove these before or switch to a new clean, uncontaminated wash mitt. A quality water sprayer with adjustable spray settings like jet and shower work best for both pre-rinsing and the final rinsing. For tall vehicles like trucks and SUVs, it's important to have an elevated work platform to reach the highest portions safely. Start by inspecting the body panels for stubborn defects like bug splatter, bird droppings, tar, tree sap. If any of these things are discovered, remove these first using the appropriate product. For dried bug splatter, bird droppings, and road tar, use the Dr. Beasley's Matte Paint Cleanser. Spray directly onto the contaminant and allow it to penetrate for a few seconds, and then gently massage using a clean microfiber towel, soft sponge, or foam applicator pad to loosen and remove. It's important to remove these types of isolated contaminants with plenty of lubrication and also patience to avoid altering the matte paint in these areas. After removing any isolated contamination, next pre-rinse the vehicle to remove any loose dirt, dust, and tree pollen. Start at the highest point, which is usually the roof. Wash one side and rinse, and then move to the other side, wash and rinse. After washing the roof, wash and rinse all the side glass, A pillars, B pillars, and sill panels. Wash any horizontal panels like the hood and or trunk lid and follow this by rinsing. After tackling the horizontal panels, next wash all the vertical panels one side at a time and then rinse. Then, using a soft bristle brush, wash the front grille, headlights, side air grills, plastic trim, and the bumper, followed by rinsing. Lastly, wash the back of the vehicle and rinse. After washing and rinsing the vehicle section by section, give the vehicle a final rinse to ensure any and all loose dirt and dust has been completely flushed off the vehicle. After the final rinse, remove any standing water using compressed air or a clean, uncontaminated drying towel. If this is your first time washing your matte finish, I highly recommend protecting it with the ceramic coating for matte finishes afterwards. This will make future washes much easier so you won't have to get aggressive while cleaning. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this tutorial gave you a better idea of what it takes to keep a matte finish looking good. At the end of the day, it's all about using matte safe products and protecting the paint early on. You can find links to all the products I used today in the description, and if you have any questions or need help, please get in touch with my team at drbeasleys.com or call us at 773-404-1600.